Babad ka ba palagi sa TikTok, Facebook at Reels na gusto mo nalang ilaan yan sa extra income? Pwede kang mag-part-time sa company namin. Possible income dito is 20,000 to 50,000 or more than that. Depende pa po yan sa sipag mo. Your task here is to set appointments to our local and international clients. Mag-copy and paste na lang po yung gagawin mo. Okay, so basta meron ka lang cellphone dito and willing ka lang matuto. Ang kagandahan nito, ikaw pa yung may hawak ng oras mo. Ikaw ang pipili ng schedule mo. Okay, so this is open to all OFW, employed professionals, senior citizen, or retired ka man. Okay, so na naghahanap ng extra income or gustong madagdagan yung savings or income nila. This opportunity is for you. So wag kang mahiya mag-comment ng how para ma-prioritize kita and ma-assist kita kaagad. Okay po? So see you on my inbox.